Do you know which stocks pay dividends of 10, 15 or even 20%? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss this video. And today we have best value car stocks. These are the car stocks with the lowest 12-month trailing price to earnings P/E ratio. Because profits can be returned to shareholders in the form of dividends and buybacks, a low P/E ratio shows that you're paying less for each dollar of profit generated. 1. Stellantis NV, formerly Fiat Chrysler Automobiles. Stellantis is a Netherlands-based automotive company. It designs, builds, and sells vehicles, components, and related systems under brands including Chrysler, Fiat, Jeep, Ram, Alfa Romeo, and Peugeot. In February, the company launched its share repurchase program of up to €1.5 billion to be purchased by December 2031. In early May, the company reported shipments rose 7% year-over-year and net revenue 14% in the first quarter. The automaker said an increase in semiconductor fulfillment has led to an overall gain in sales. 2. Porsche Automobile Holding SE. Porsche is an auto manufacturer located in Germany with brands such as Audi, Lamborghini, Porsche, and Volkswagen. 3. Volkswagen AG. Volkswagen is a German-based subsidiary of Porsche Automobile Holding SE that produces and sells vehicles under Bentley, Ducati, and Scania brands. The company also offers financial leasing. You can buy shares in this and other companies at a profit by clicking on the link in the description. I have left a broker used by millions of investors. Fastest growing car stocks. These are the top car stocks as ranked by a growth model that scores companies based on a 50/50 weighting of their most recent quarterly percentage revenue growth and their most recent quarterly earnings per share growth. Both sales and earnings are critical factors in the success of a company. Therefore, ranking companies by only one growth metric makes a ranking susceptible to the accounting anomalies of that quarter, such as changes in tax law or restructuring costs that may make one figure or the other unrepresentative of the business in general. Companies with quarterly EPS or revenue growth of more than 1,000% were excluded as outliers. 1. BYD Co. BYD develops and makes electric vehicles, EVs, rail transit equipment, and similar products. The company also sells lithium-ion and nickel batteries for phones, power tools, and EVs. 2. Lucid Group Inc. Lucid produces luxury EVs such as the flagship Lucid Air and soon-to-be-released Lucid Gravity. Note Lucid Group doesn't have any PS growth figure in the table above because the company reported a net loss per share in the most recent quarter. 3. Fisker Inc. Fisker is also an EV manufacturer. The company delivered its first Fisker Ocean SUV, the company's flagship car, on May 5 to an individual in Denmark. Dear subscriber, thank you for liking this video. It motivates me to shoot more content that will bring you profit. Car stocks with the most momentum. These are the car stocks that had the highest total return or least decline over the last 12 months. 1. Ferrari NV. Ferrari NV's primary activity is designing, producing, and selling new and used sports cars. It operates under the Ferrari name. Its current models include the Pura Sangue, the first four-door, four-seater car in Ferrari's history, the A12 GT SV12 Spider convertible, the 296 GT B2-seater sports car, and SF90 Spider open-air sports car. In the first quarter, Ferrari's net profit increased 24% on a 20% increase in revenue. The company posted a 10% increase in overall shipments and unveiled a new high-performance car, the Ferrari Roma Spider. 2. Mercedes-Benz Group AG. Mercedes-Benz is a Germany-based vehicle manufacturer that develops, produces, and distributes cars and vans under the Mercedes-Benz brand. The company also provides financing, leasing, rental, and other related services. Mercedes reported first-quarter sales on April 2012. The company's EV sales surged to more than 51,000 units, nearly double the year before. making up 10% of their total sales. The company also posted 18% growth in its top-end vehicles and a sales increase of 27% in its entry vehicle classes. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to shoot more content that will bring you profit. Advantages of car stocks. Low historical valuations. Car stocks have low valuations by historical standards. For example, General Motors Co. GM trades at 4.86 times forward earnings, below its 5-year average multiple of 7.37. Similarly, Ford Motor Company's forward price-to-earnings forward P/E ratio sits at 7.01, 13% lower than its 5-year average multiple of 8.09. Although Tesla's forward P/E of 51.55 is high compared with stocks in other sectors, it's well below the EV maker's 5-year average of 117.12. The auto sector's discounted historical valuations may help it attract bargain hunters in coming quarters. History of government bailouts. While there are no guarantees of the government stepping in to save industries amid an economic downturn, the auto sector has a history of federal bailouts. For example, GM and Chrysler, now part of Stellantis, received $85 billion in financial assistance from the government during the global financial crisis to avoid closing. 30 years earlier, the government lent Chrysler $1.5 billion when the automaker faced financial failure. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to shoot more content that will bring you profit.